Storage full for the third time this week? Another year? Another cloud storage bill? Upload 10 minutes. Download 1 hour. Normal? It doesn't have to be. Meet GEAKOS File Backup. First, sign into your admin account and install File Backup from the App Center. Heads up, only admins can install apps. To let other users access it, install as admin first, then grant them access. Once installed, open File Backup and create a task. We support backing up from your PC, network drives, external storage, or the NAS itself. Here, we'll use backing up the NAS itself as an example. Choose your NAS destination, then hit Next. Pick a backup mode, manual or scheduled. Click Confirm to start. Want to change modes later? Open the menu on any task and adjust your settings. Track every backup in the log. See when it ran, the status, and how many files were backed up. Find your backups in File Manager, exactly where you saved them, view, or use them anytime. That's File Backup. Try it on GEAKOS today. GEAKOS, your personal AI NAS.